Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you guys how Fibonacci work actually in Forex. Right. Uh, as my name is Izzy and this is my channel Forex Trading. If you want in future most helpful, something good to learn in the future for yourself, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will come with a proper and good idea and simple and easy for you. It's really good for most of the beginners. Right guys, so yeah, let me show you actually how Fibonacci work. Right, Fibonacci is actually quite really simple. I heard lots of people they're using these days for, that's a technical analysis anyway, so people try to use for invest their time in there to just find out what they can do. Right, so let's see, there's a cable, that's a GB and USD. You can see I'm doing on current charts. I can see there Fibonacci. The good thing is always when its price is downward, that's a downtrend, so we have to do high to low. Always we have to come from high to low. So but first of all we need to find a trend. That's really important. So you can see GP and USD, there's a trend now. From 2nd of September until 26th of October, you can see guys clearly that's look like a trend. So when it's trend, I said we always high to low. So click the Fibonacci. I will just there you go. I will just click now Fibonacci, so that will be more easiest to do it. There you go. I click from high to low and you can see there now. There we go. That's the Fibonacci. You can guys see there's always 0.15 and 0.1, 0.18. Actually I don't use that ratios in Fibonacci. That's really pretty simple. When you click on the any line, it will give you settings so where you can adjust it. Let me just show you what I'm trying to say. Let's say, there we go. Normally people they use only 1.68, some of them use 2.618, and someone use it on 0.5. Normally I don't use that one, but if you guys feel like, but this is my strategy normally. I don't overlook and make sure all of the colors should be black, and which ratio you try to target it, you can change accordingly from the setting whenever you go there. Right, okay, so yeah, there we go. I found the trend. That's the recent price actually, and that's a downtrend, so I put from high to low. Yeah, main points which we're going to talk, most important in Fibonacci we need to understand. Ratio 0.682, that's the first cycle. People sometimes they place the trade, if you are like, let's say some people do, when it's hit to the resistance line on 0.82 they can place a trade, but if it's come down, but you can see from 0.82 is quite risky, so it's break the resistance line and become a support line, and it's come back again. You can see on 13 October it's become resistant again, but slightly go down, it's going to go up, and again come down, it's going up. So the best point is to put a trade on Fibonacci. I would just say always looking for 0.618, because that's how Fibonacci second retracement is work actually, because if you do 0.38 it's always very risky, because you don't know, market can go up and down in a second. So that's how the system actually works. But if you use 0.618, that's most probably likely it will come below rather than going up. So as I trade on 0.68, as soon this line hit to the resistance, you can see it's straight away coming down. So that's more probabilities. So always keep in mind, whenever price hit to the resistance right there on 0.618, there's more chances price will definitely go down. But guys, this is all technical analysis. End of the day, it can could go wrong. But what we have to do, That's how system is work actually, Fibonacci. If you keep follow that way, it give you good profits. But make sure your stop loss should be above the 0.618 when you go for short, because you can see line the price already touched on that line, right? And the most important things, let's do to upward trend. So that will be another example for you guys, will help you to understand. Let's say there's another downtrend was when it was 10th of March. That's still on cable, GBP and USD. If you do Fibonacci there, let's say from there to until bottom, there we go. That's really good example. You can see you see it was a downtrend and it's gone up, it break the 0.82 and it went up, it's come down, and this trick point is, you see that first time price reached to 0.81. some of you think, oh, I could go for short now, but you see they were still good to make money, but you need to keep watch your market then, because you have to come out somewhere sometime. But if you could have seen, sometime it doesn't work. Fibonacci is always 100% correct. Look at that from here, when price break the resistance line 1.25 on 1st of June, is keep going up and keep coming down. So when you see something like that, guys, that's the time you should not just sit back and look at the market, how does it work. So Fibonacci not always 100%, but that's how you can at least get a clue what's going to happen next. But always when price hit the resistance line 0.618, there's always something to make it. But make sure do your analysis before you come and do the trades. But most important, fundamental analysis, because let's say if you put a trade, Brexit happen or anything's happen between USD and GP, economics change, it will big impact on trading or whatever you're doing on the system, it wouldn't work. So make sure always fundamental is very important, right? So I was saying we have to do one for uptrend. I'm trying to find out if we can see anywhere nice uptrend, so where we can do for you guys. Right. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out if there is anywhere uptrend. Let's say if I do from here 21st of August, Fibonacci. If you have any problem with Fibonacci adjustments, just do text, just do a comment on my videos. If you need any help, I will make a video accordingly, and or either you can find me on another video. I will definitely do that soon after this, once I will find what the requirements you guys looking for. Right, okay, so let's say for upward trend. So upward trend always, I say, from bottom to up. So let's say from low to high, always uptrend, and downtrend always high to low. So yeah, this one we have to do from low to high. Right, okay. Right, so you see from low to high is always different scenario. You can see there, it easily makes sense. When price hit to the 0.618 and retracement is went to 0.82, and always when this price going cutting the edge from low to high, we have to go for long options. So this is how actually Fibonacci work. And guys, thank you very much for watching my video anyway. And if you have anything to ask for future, please do drop me the comments, and please do not forget to follow my channel, and definitely in the future I will come in with something good ideas. And thank you, bye for now.